This tutorial will do a quick review of BibleHub.com's chapter context review or chapter outline review. Go to BibleHub.com. I always like to do my searches up here. Find it quicker than using the drop-down menus. So I want to take a look at John 3:16, but I don't want to take a look at the verse just by itself. I want to take a look at it in context to the whole chapter of John chapter 3. These icons here, if you hover over them, you will be able to see what each icon does specifically. And if we take a look at this icon here, it gives a chapter outline of John chapter 3. So if you click here, there'll be a brief overview of the people that are in this particular chapter, the places that are referenced, and an outline of the chapter. So this is a quick summary of BibleHub.com and the chapter outline feature.